So if it's dinner time and you want to chop up garlic or nuts or herbs or something, and it's a smaller amount, but you don't want to do it by hand and it's not enough to pull out like a full-size food processor, this OXO food chopper is so great for those instances. I literally feel like I reach for this thing every single day. I do 4 or 5 things about this that I just really enjoy. So first off, it has the little onboard scooper, and I'll show you that in use in a second, but that's really cool, and you can mount it on the right or the left. Down here, we'll take this off, and obviously this is the chopping container that you can do 1 cup or 250 milliliter. Me personally, I wouldn't fill it all the way. I would just do like 2 batches. I'll show you what it looks like and sounds like in a second, but I wanted to show you something really cool. One, you just pop this off, and then say that you had chopped up garlic or something. Hey, come back here now. You weren't using all of it, so you could use this, and you come in here, and you scrape it out. And I like that because you're not having to use like a plastic, you know, spoon or something and scraping up the inside. To transfer it from this container to another, you can just pop this little lid on and throw it in the fridge. So that's really cool. About 8 inches tall when it's being used, but you can just go like this. So you press in and then you turn, and then it stores like that, and that makes it about 6 inches. So that's pretty cool. So you can fit it under just about any counter. With respect to ease of use and cleanup, that's why I use it every day. It's just so easy. So once this is open, you literally just turn this and slide this out, rinse out whatever's in here, rinse this out, and then reassemble. And you can see in here, there are 2 sort of like flatter sides, 1 and 2, right there. And you just take these and you just slide them right in, and you can see wavy blade pattern like this, and it rotates. As you can see, it's rotating there. So effortless to use. Like I've had other ones where they were kind of hopping around the counter. Now, if you have this on, it is gonna move, but this has a non-slip right here. So you put it here and it's not moving, and then you're just, and you're done. I mean, guys, this makes quick work of garlic, and I do this all the time for almonds to go on my salad. Nothing sticks to this. Like I've had other ones where I'm in there, you know, performing surgery to remove things, but I don't have that issue with this. You can see there's sort of like a wavy thing here and then a wave thing here, and that's how you know. You just line those up, and boom, you see it clicks right together. I mean, guys, this thing gets a huge workout in our house. And if you find yourselves in the market for something like that, where, I mean, just make meal prep so much easier, because I can have fresh garlic, fresh herbs whenever I want them, because it's not a big of pulling out a food processor or sitting there manually cutting it up, which, yeah, no. For me, this gets an A in product design. Absolutely love this. I have given this as a housewarming gift many times over, and people are always so thrilled to have it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.